Today is Wednesday, September 2nd. This is the original vintage Cadillac motor for the power seat mechanisms. The 8 degree of freedom or 6-way actuation original General Motors power seat mechanisms utilize this very robust motor. This particular unit is from my friend Herman in Cape Coral, and I've done a complete restoration of the motor. It had been burned out and subjected to some internal stresses. So the armature has been rewound, the brushes changed, the bearings lubricated, and the electricals maintained, and it's been calibrated. So the unit is connected to power. I'm going to do a functional validation test. There we have a high-speed clockwise rotation, and I'll reverse polarity and go in the other direction. Again. High torque, high revolution. Okay, and this is the original vintage Cadillac power seat mechanism used from 1959 through 1976 with slight variances in between. And this is George in Florida. I have over 75,000 original vintage parts for the 1967 to 1976 Cadillac, over 250,000 1959 to 1978 Cadillac items overall. I'm best known for my restoration of the Cadillac steering wheels with the wood grain inlay and the 682 grip lines specific to 67 and 68. And the power seat mechanisms, generally I do full restoration of the entire power seat mechanism. In this particular instance, I just did this rebuild of the motor for my friend Herman. Ordinarily I don't do component repair, rebuild, or restoration, but only only the entire mechanisms generally do I restore. So today is September 2nd, Wednesday. This is George in Florida. Thank you very kindly.